Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jess. If you are new, I wish you could see my outfit. It's kind of sad. If you want some ideas on what kind of Valentine's Day look you can wear, that's kind of Instagram inspired. I definitely have seen some people doing little hearts. Keep on watching this video and I'll show you how to create this fun look. Alright, so this was my first look that I tried to do, but it just didn't really work out the way that I wanted it to, so moving on to the next look. So I'm going in with my Essentials Violet Voss palette, and I'm going to use the shade Dusty Rose. Dust it all over this area, and windshield motions. Just kind of make it really blown out. You can even bring it down a little if you want. Now, just so it's not so matte, because I've really been liking a sheen kind of glow over my makeup lately, I'm going to go over it with this pink shimmery kind of shade. It's just called Pink actually. So I'm just going to use the same brush and do a little bit of a dusting. Even if it doesn't do much, I think it will just add a little bit more depth. Sorry, my bangs are always in the way here. Oh yeah, that's adding something. You can definitely see it's got more of a shine when you kind of turn to the side. I'm going to go in with my famous Valentine's Day palette, the Blood Sugar palette. I pretty much only use this on Valentine's Day and Christmas. I think I'm going to go in with the pink one first. Just get a little bit of pink going. And just kind of going to pop that in the kind of crease area. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. And then kind of buff that out with the other color. I'm going to go back in with that transition shade, the Dusty Rose, and then I'm just going to kind of hit the edges with that Dusty Rose color. This is turning into quite a grungy kind of look, but I feel like that's really in nowadays, so kind of cool with the kind of fades out. I'm going to go in with a darker shade, which is this. Oh yeah, so the pink was called Cavity. This one's going to be called Fresh Meat. Do I want to go with that shade? Or do I want to go with this shade? Actually, I think I'm going to go with this shade, which is called Extraction. I'm going to bring that into kind of this inner corner and outer corner area to give it some depth. Yeah. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I think this will be good. Kind of just shaping that crease area. And then kind of bringing it on the outside here as well. It's okay. It's never going to be perfect, right? Kind of hate this, kind of like it. Don't really know how to feel about it. Kind of looks more like Halloween than anything. So we're looking kind of crazy right now. That's okay, this is going to be covered up. At least we didn't do our foundation yet. We're going to use some pink in the middle. This is the P.Louise base in Winter Rose. Just a little dabaroo of this, and then I'm gonna kind of pat it out with my finger. It's not gonna be super intense. That's good. Because we kind of just want like a nice little base. And then underneath the eye, we also want a little bit of color. So I'll just bring that down a little bit and then dab. We're just adding some color with my finger. I'm just blending up like that. Right now it looks crazy, but I think the finger method is actually the best method to blend this. Okay, I think I'm gonna add some of this because it just looks really nice. This is actually a liquid lipstick, but I've been using it on my eyes a little bit as well. So I'm just gonna use that right in the middle of the spotlight kind of eye. I think that brings a little bit more pizzazz to the look. And I'm just bringing it kind of all the way up to the eyebrow as well. I just love glitter, and I feel like it's important to have some glitter. I wish they all could be California girls. So I'm using there's something hard in here. Do you remember that video where someone opened up their beauty blender and there was like something in there? Little worms or something weird like that. I remember that video. It was creepy. So I'm using my Milk foundation stick. It's one of the closest to my skin tones right now. Okay, I'm gonna finish the rest off camera. I'm using this P.Louise base as a blush as well, and it actually looks really pretty. So I'm just kind of using my beauty blender and then dabbing it in, but it looks really hydrating, and I'm just loving the color for this look. I'm also going to go in with this Too Faced Diamond Canary highlighter. It just kind of works. It has a bit of a pink shift, which is really nice. I think I used this in my last video and I really liked it. Yeah, it's very ethereal. And then, you know, for a little extra, maybe we'll put some of this on the cheeks as well. I'm just dabbing on a little, just for a little extra like glitter pop. I think that looks nice. You can't really go wrong with a little bit of extra glitter. Ooh, that is just stunning. For years, I've been using this lipstick, which is the Steamy by Morphe. So I think I'm going to use a little base of that because it just stays forever. It's really nice. I don't even know if they still sell this shade, but it's pretty good. I'm going to go over it with this Marilyn Monroe Hard Candy lipstick. It's more of a true red, but it's a little bit more moisturizing than the other lip shade. I think what I'm going to do is just draw some little hearts. But let me get my eyelashes on and let me sort everything out. Okay, so I have my lashes on. These lashes are a little whack right now. I lost the ones I really like, so kind of had to just go for these ones. But yeah, whatever works. Like everyone has to wear lashes nowadays, right? So what I'm using for the white is I'm using this NYX Epic Wear Liner to do some little hearts. Oh my gosh, okay, I saved it. I only did one and that was so stressful. Let's just do one on this side. I think it's easier to do it on this side. This is my right side. There. Things usually look better in threes, don't they? I have this and the Mehron makeup palettes. Ah. I'm gonna use this again. I'm just gonna wet it. You gotta kind of water activate these. And then do some hearts. Oh my god, why did I do the hard side first? Okay, that wasn't so bad. I don't hate it. Oh my gosh. And so it's just a little bigger. This heart kind of got fucked up, but other than that, it looks pretty decent. Let's do one more final setting spray. If I hadn't mentioned any of the products, then they will just be in the description box below. I'll show you my little shirt here. Very cute. I just think even if you don't have a Valentine, it's kind of fun to just enjoy Valentine's Day. But if you haven't already, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button right down below. Anyways, happy Valentine's Day. Hope you all have a good one and live your best life. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.